All month long at KMS Tools, we will be having our annual Air Tools sale where you can find all the tools you need to get the job done right. Between April 12th to 14th, we'll be having even hotter deals available. In Coquitlam and Edmonton, we will have factory reps on hand to answer all questions you have and to demo some of the tools. Here is Sam to tell us of the great deals going on this month.
Thanks, Kim. We got some great new products this month. Flexzilla, Senko, and Finney. Flexzilla is a brand new hose to KMS. It's non-kink. It comes in a lot of different lengths. The 1/4 inch by 25 foot is going on sale for $19.95 on the 3-day sale. And this hose is rated to 300 PSI and also is rated to work at -40 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's good for all year round, especially here in BC. We got brand new Senko 2-inch by 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. This Senko brad nailer includes a sealed nitrogen container, which is different than the Bostitch nailers that you might be familiar with, which have replaceable cartridges. This cartridge, not having to be replaced, will save you about $300 a year. So that's brand new here at the KMS. Also, Finney compressors. They're very quiet, low RPM. This Finney in particular is a 2.5 horsepower, 2.6 CFM, and it's going on sale for $179.95 on the 3-day sale.
Wow, that's a lot of new exciting stuff in the Air Tools department. What else is new at KMS Tools?
Most exciting thing in power tools this month is the new Milwaukee Fuel. Milwaukee Fuel is Milwaukee's new brushless technology. What this means for you, the user, is that this tool will last 10 times longer, 25% more power, and 50% more runtime, which equates to a huge savings on the job site when you're not having to change batteries and stuff. The other promotion that we have this month is that we're taking $100 trade-ins against the price of the new Milwaukee Fuel. We'll be accepting all the major brands, and what that means is on the 3-day sale you can get the hammer drill kit with the full-size batteries for $249.
I think I read something on the KMS Tools Facebook page about Free Fuel Fridays. What's that all about?
Yeah, what that's about is that every Friday for the month of April we're going to be giving away a compact fuel kit. Basically this drill right here. And all you have to do is like us on Facebook, and it doesn't get much simpler than that. If you already like us on Facebook, you're already entered to win. For more information and details, just go to facebook.com/KMS Tools.
Wow, there are a lot of great things going on at KMS Tools this month. Another great way to receive free tools is to enter our monthly tool giveaway. This month, we will be giving away a 1/2-inch Angersol Rand Heavy Duty Impact. To enter, you can go in-store or online, sign up for the KMS Club, and be entered to win. If you already receive our KMS emails, then you are automatically entered. Not only will you receive monthly tool giveaways, but you will also be included in emails, flyers, and special pricing, which is in-store and online. For more contest details, come in-store or check out kmstools.com. On April 20 to 22nd in Abbotsford at the TradeX is the Classic and Custom Car Show. Come on down, as the very own KMS Car Parts will be there all weekend long. They'll have a booth with great show pricing. You'll also want to be there to see legendary car builder Gene Winfield. On the back of the KMS flyer is a $2 off admission price. So grab the coupon, grab a friend, and come on down to the TradeX in Abbotsford for the Custom and Classic Car Show, April 20 to 22nd.